Hi guys, welcome back to my other video. So I'll be doing one more video on AWS automation. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can automate the power status of those EC2 instance. Since this is executed through API, that means you should be able to turn on and turn off a large number of VMs on the fly. So without wasting much time, let's straight away go to the video. In this video, what I will be covering up is these two tasks: turning on the EC2 instance and turning off the EC2 instance. And on top of it, I will be showing a live demonstration of API scripting and try to authenticate and also execute this task. So without wasting time, let me go to my terminal. And if you have watched the previous video, you should know what I'm about to do now. Else you can just go to that video and have a look. So I'm in my folder. It's called AWS Automation Python folder. So I will just open up the VS Code here. Since this is for yesterday's EC2 deployment or AWS dashboard, right now let me check the VMs that I've got. I just got one VM that's in stopped state. So what I'll do now is, rather than doing just for just one VM or one EC2 instance, I will deploy two more instances. So it's and by the way, now let me activate the virtual environment. So source AWS activate. So which Python -v. Okay. Automation. All good. Now I will just execute this command and it should deploy. Okay, so I don't have the keys. Go and there you go. Only clear this thing up and Python. There you go. Now we should see two VMs that's being deployed. Here's my page. Okay, there are two VMs. So when it's turn it on, what I will do is I will stop the instance so that all of them are in stop status. So before we execute that one, in terms of automation itself, what you will need to do is you need to grab the instance IDs. I'll just copy these instance IDs just for the reference, and I will paste here, and I will ending with 640. Okay, so these are the three instances that we'll be trying to turn it on. What I'll do is I will try to create one more script and I will name it AWS API. Starting this one, I won't be writing a basic command, so I just want to have a standard format to do it. So if it pass, or if you want to do it this way, you can do it. Whenever you are doing object-oriented programming, you will need to start the class like this. I'll put the secretaries later on. Yeah, now one more thing that I will need is, okay, rather than that one, I will just copy from my previous video. So I will need these three things. I will just copy the, rather than giving a EC2 name, I will give it a self so that it is initialized in the first class, and we can grab it from there. Since it doesn't have Boto install, I will try to import Boto. Okay, good. It's complaining. So what I'll do is I will use self so that it pick up from the evolve one. Same with that one as well. We got the EC2 object as global variable. Now what I will do is I will define if I will call main function, since we don't have main function. Main, and I will define the class. There you go. Turn on EC2 with myself, then print m from turn on function. Now just to validate it works, dot turn on. Okay, just to see if it works, Python AWS power. I won't be telling you how to grab these keys. You should by now know where to get it. So to turn on the instances, what we'll be doing is we'll be using a function called inbuilt function called start instance. We start this. You see here, let's show you something. So let me copy these here, and client we already find it here. We'll be using instance IDs. Previous. What I will do is this. All right, looks good. And response to this one. Now let me execute the here. AWS power. Okay, looks like it went through. So let me go to dashboard and see what's the status. Refresh page. Looks like we are able to turn it on. So if you see here, it's in pending state. So this is how you start a VM. Now we'll do similar tasks to turn off the VM. So let me copy the whole stuff here again and make one more function, and I will name it turn off EC2 instance and all the same function, but this time I won't be turning it on. And rather than start instance, there should be something called stop instance. Go here. Gonna be same, just copy that one, rest looks all same. Go here, I'll just replace that turn off one from turn off EC2 function, same IDs. Now we'll make sure it's in running state before I turn it off. Okay, let me refresh the page. Looks like all of these are in running state. Now if I execute this function again, turn off, so that's the stop it instances. Now let me refresh the page. Okay, so now you go. This is the way you can stop the instances. This is very straightforward. So yeah, that's what you should be doing now. So that's all for in this video, and maybe I will come up with more automation in AWS in upcoming videos. That's all for now.